What if I told you that the colorful, convenient foods lining supermarket shelves could be slowly eroding your health? These foods, often marketed as quick and easy solutions for our busy lives, might be doing more harm than good. It's a scary thought, right? The idea that something so common and accessible could be detrimental to our well-being is unsettling. We're constantly bombarded with ads for these tempting treats, but the truth about processed foods is far from appetizing. These advertisements are designed to lure us in, making us believe that these products are essential for our daily lives. These seemingly harmless snacks, meals, and ingredients often hide a dark secret. They're loaded with unhealthy ingredients that can have devastating long-term effects on our bodies. High levels of sugar, unhealthy fats, and preservatives can lead to serious health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. But fear not. I am here to expose the shocking truth about processed foods and empower you to make healthier choices. By understanding what goes into these products, you can make informed decisions and opt for fresh, whole foods that nourish your body and mind. Together, we can take a stand against the hidden dangers of processed foods and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Let's face it, in our fast-paced world, convenience is king. Processed foods, with their long shelf lives and ready-to-eat appeal, fit perfectly into our busy lives. But what exactly are processed foods?
Simply put, processed foods are any foods that have been altered from their natural state. This could be as simple as washing and chopping vegetables, or as complex as creating a frozen meal with a laundry list of unpronounceable ingredients.
While not all processed foods are created equal, a large portion of them pose serious health risks. These manufactured delights often contain excessive amounts of added sugar, unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients, all of which have been linked to a range of health problems.
We're talking about serious stuff here, folks. Heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer have all been linked to diets high in processed foods. It's time to wake up and realize the danger lurking in our pantries.
One of the most alarming aspects of processed foods is the sheer number of artificial ingredients they contain. These chemicals, foreign to our bodies, are used to enhance flavor, improve texture, and extend shelf life. But at what cost?
Artificial sweeteners, artificial colors, and preservatives are just a few of the synthetic compounds lurking in our food supply. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that these additives may disrupt our hormones, trigger inflammation, and even contribute to behavioral problems in children.
A world of hidden dangers. The dangers of processed foods extend far beyond what's listed on the label. These foods are often packed with artificial ingredients, preservatives, and additives that can have long-term effects on our health.
Did you know that some processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, compounds linked to an increased risk of certain cancers? These chemicals are used to preserve the color and flavor of the meat, but they can form harmful compounds in our bodies. And let's not forget about trans fats, those sneaky villains that hide in fried and baked goods, quietly raising our bad cholesterol levels. Trans fats are created through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils to make them more solid, and they can be found in many of our favorite comfort foods.
Even seemingly harmless foods like yogurt and granola bars can be loaded with hidden sugars, adding inches to our waistlines and increasing our risk of chronic diseases. These sugars are often added to improve taste and shelf life, but they can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. It's a scary thought that these convenient foods could be slowly sabotaging our health without us even realizing it. We often choose them for their convenience and taste, but the hidden dangers they carry can have serious consequences. Being aware of what we consume and making informed choices can help us protect our health in the long run. The weight of processed choices. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, obesity. Processed foods, with their calorie-dense, nutrient-poor compositions, have been identified as a major contributor to the global obesity epidemic. These foods are often engineered to be hyperpalatable, triggering our reward centers and encouraging us to overeat.
The more processed foods we consume, the more we crave them, creating a vicious cycle of unhealthy eating habits. It's time to break free from this processed food prison and reclaim our health.
Breaking free from the processed trap. In this section, we will explore practical steps to help you break free from the grip of processed foods and embrace a healthier lifestyle. The good news is that we have the power to change our eating habits and reduce our consumption of processed foods. It might seem daunting at first, but with determination and the right strategies, it is entirely possible.
It starts with small, manageable steps. Begin by incorporating more fresh fruits and vegetables into your daily meals. These nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that processed foods often lack. Try swapping sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Sugary beverages are a major source of empty calories and can contribute to various health issues, including obesity and diabetes. Choose whole fruits and vegetables over processed snacks. Whole foods are not only more nutritious but also more satisfying, helping you to feel fuller for longer periods. Read food labels carefully and be mindful of hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Understanding what goes into your food can help you make more informed choices and avoid harmful additives. Cooking more meals at home allows you to control the ingredients and avoid the hidden dangers of processed foods. Experiment with new recipes and discover the joy of preparing delicious, wholesome meals from scratch. Remember, every small change adds up. Each healthier choice you make brings you one step closer to breaking free from the processed trap and achieving a better, more vibrant life.
A call for change. The truth about processed foods is out there, and it's time we demand better for ourselves and our families.
By making informed choices and opting for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, we can take back control of our health and well-being. Let's ditch the processed food facade and embrace a healthier, more vibrant way of life. Our bodies will thank us for it.